What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today we have got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and we are gonna talk about 3 game-changing features that no one's talking about. From incredible photography performance to unlimited slow motion recording and next level subject tracking. This action cam has a lot more to offer than just stabilization. And if you end up liking this video, then please subscribe to this channel, support honest content. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro isn't just about video. The photography capabilities are surprisingly impressive. Under daylight, the details are sharp and colors pop without looking unnatural, thanks to the improved sensor and processing. The dynamic range holds up well even in high contrast scenes. Skies don't look artificially boosted and the highlights aren't blown out. Even in tricky lighting conditions like near sunset, the Action 5 Pro manages to balance exposure while keeping shadows detailed compared to typical action cameras that struggle with over-sharpening or flat colors. This one does a solid job of delivering photos that feel balanced and natural. At night, the performance is better than expected for an action cam. Low light shots have noticeably less noise than its predecessors, thanks to an upgraded processing algorithm. Street lights and neon signs don't turn into distracting glares, and textures remain intact, even in dim conditions. The AI powered night mode pulls in more details without pushing brightness too far, keeping images looking realistic rather than artificially brightened. While it won't replace a dedicated camera for night photography, the Osmo Action 5 Pro's low light improvements make it more reliable than most action cams and many other flagship smartphones in dark environments. Whether it's daytime landscapes or night cityscapes, this action cam holds its own in photography. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro pushes slow motion recording to the next level with 4K at 120 fps and 1080p at 240 fps, delivering crisp, smooth footage that captures every detail of fast-paced action. Unlike many action cams that limit slow motion to short bursts, the Action 5 Pro offers unlimited recording in high frame rate modes. Extreme sports, cinematic moments, or creative shots can be captured without time constraints, cutting them short, beyond just high frame rates. DJI's RockSteady stabilization ensures that even slow motion footage remains steady, reducing unwanted motion blur. The larger sensor improves dynamic range and low light performance, making slow-mo shots clearer even in challenging lighting. Compared to competitors like GoPro, which limits high FPS modes to shorter durations, the Action 5 Pro provides longer, more flexible slow motion recording, making it a top choice for content creators who demand high quality results. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro's subject tracking is a game changer for action footage. It locks onto a moving subject, whether a person, pet, or object, and keeps them centered in the frame as they move. AI driven tracking intelligently follows the target, ensuring they remain in focus throughout the shot, even during high speed sports action. This tracking remains consistent across different environments. Bright sunlight doesn't confuse it, and in low light scenes, the large 1 by 1.3-inch sensor and advanced AI processing maintain a clear lock on the subject. These smart tracking features make capturing dynamic moments effortless, ensuring the Action 5 Pro delivers precise and reliable tracking in action-packed scenes. Well, I'm just sharing my honest opinion with you. Please don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. And yeah, if you wanna buy a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, you can buy it from anywhere. You don't have to buy it from my link. I don't believe in affiliate links. I don't wanna earn from my subscribers and regular viewers. I'm here to share my honest opinion. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Really, if you really want to support this channel, join the channel membership. That will help a lot.